Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Realty, and today I'm back out at the bridges of Preston Crossing in Gunter to check on another Mattamy homes build that's behind me. So the homes here on this street are all in the very beginning stages of construction. So if you just watched a video about another Mattamy home build, this might look a little identical to it, but I promise it's a different house. So we're gonna flip this around and we're gonna go check out what we can see. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have form boards set and the plumbing rough is installed. So the plumbing rough, all of our pipes here in Texas are run underneath the foundation. It helps protect it in inclement weather. And our piping is also made out of PEX piping, which is PVC pipe. It is all run out, it's trenched underneath, right? And then it's run all the way down here so that it will drain at the street where the sidewalk will be up here. Awesome. Okay, so what they will do is they're going to run water through these pipes to check for leaks. Once they've done that, if there's no leaks, no repairs need to be done, then they're going to continue on with foundation prep. The form boards here act like a cake pan so that the foundation doesn't run everywhere, and it's just an outline of the floor plan. If they pass inspection and they're able to move forward, the next thing that they're going to do here is add post-tension cables, and that's going to be in a grid-like pattern. They'll section this off and put moisture barrier all over it, which is going to look like a big black trash bag. And from there, they will pour the foundation. So all going well, we will see that in the coming weeks. In case you're wondering, this plan here is the Montana plan. They actually are not offering this plan anymore in this community, but they have some really nice ones that are comparable to this. So this Montana plan has just over 3,600 square feet, 5 beds, 4.5 baths, a 3-car garage that's side by side, and an office and a game room. So really nicely sized home, really fairly priced. Very good deal up here in Gunter. Okay guys, so that wraps up the tour this week. Bridges at Preston Crossing in Gunter is actually on a golf course called The Bridges. It's a really beautiful community. So if you guys are looking for a little bit of acreage and an actual 3-car garage that's side by side, not a tandem, little space in between you and your neighbor, Gunter's a really good option, and they have a great school district up here. So if you are looking to build new construction in this area, y'all give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.